It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Experiment time. I'm cooking up some broccoli and cauliflower cheesies for the freezer, for freezer meals. And I've got 2 broccoli stems and 1 cauliflower stem here that I've grated up in my processor. So I'm just going to see if I can dehydrate them. So I think you need to blanch these. So I'm just going to plunge them into boiling water, out again, onto my trays, see if I can dehydrate them. Maybe I can use them, same as breadcrumbs. We'll see. So there are 2 trays of the cauli rice that has just been plunged into boiling water, brought back to a boil, and then I've emptied it out on here. The noise is my dehydrator going at the moment, so I'll load it up with these. I have a total of 4 trays of celery going, and I bought the last 2. That's why I'm going to do and try this cauliflower broccoli rice out. So I'm putting it on the same temperature as the celery and letting it go for as long as it needs. This you can't see too well. Oh, piece of kitchen towel so you can. This is that cauliflower and broccoli dehydrated and fully dry, and it crumbles up nicely, so I could use this flour if I powdered it down, or breadcrumbs, or anything I want. But I have got ideas for jars in a meal which are going to be instant for Lurch, because some days he just likes a snack when he comes home from work, and he likes these instant meals, which are not very nutritious, and so I'm going to have a go at making my own. So I'll show you if they work out. In fact, I'll show you the whole process of them. It won't be for a while because I'm still trying to finish off the placemats, the canning mats that I'm trying to do. So when I do make these instant meals for Lurch, I'll bring you along, show you what I've done, and he can see how they compare and whether he likes them or not, but how they compare to the bought instant meals, because that's going to have mine will have actual veg in them, such as cauliflower, broccoli, peas. Bye.
It's a perfect